Action.
Sanibonani, igama remember Junior Shilubane aka Mix the Flaka. And namhlanje sila Phandimfundo Secondary School, as you all know ukuthi kuyavotwa namhlanje. It's disappointing because there are no people here who are coming to vote. The numbers are so low, and I think it's all because of the dissatisfaction of service delivery that people are facing in our communities. Amasoriji, amanzi anokuhamba nje simahla, nje ngiphume ekuseni angaphumi. So I think abantu bakwatile because of those things. People decided they're going to sit at home and not vote, which is not a good thing. I encourage abantu ukuthi baphume and come to vote, come bavote, so that it's going to change the status quo. Abantu kumele bavote, exercise their right to vote in South Africa, so that you can change the status quo. Zonke lezi zinto lezo sikhala ngazo zamanzi nani nani. The only thing to beat those things is to vote, and vote the right. Vote for the best choice, abantu who will deliver to you. And those people are Umkhonto weSizwe Party.